introduce our new cable testers, NF858C. It includes a main tester, a scan probe, and 4 remote identifiers. It can trace the cable, testing the cable continuity, and it includes a visual fault locator to test the fiber. Now, let me show you how to test the cable length. Open the testers, and here we choose the length. Then insert a cable into RJ45 port. Please pay attention. Disconnect the another side of the cable. And we enter the function, start testing. The result shows this cable is 10 meters. Now I'll show you how to test the cable continuity. Here are 2 ways to test it. Firstly, I'll show you how to test the cable continuity with main tester and the receiver. Insert cable into RJ45 port and another side to the receiver RJ45 port. Here, we choose the continuity. Enter the function and pay attention to choose the cable tab. It is a Cape 5 cable. And here, please pay attention to continuity mode. Here we choose 1 to 1. Then start testing. The result shows this is a good cable. Then testing with the remote. If we test the cable continuity with the remote, please choose the continuity mode to 1 to 4. Then start testing. The result shows this is a remote 4 and it is a good cable. Okay, I'll display how to trace cable with these items. Insert cable to scan port. Then choose the scan and open this receiver to scan mode. Adjust the volume. It can also support the PoE scan. That's all the operation videos for these items. Thank you. Here are some additional functions for this tester. Tail. Enter the tail function. You can test the telephone cable condition and polarity. Flash means port flash. You can use it to trace cable. PoE, and you can use it to know which pin has the power from a PoE switch. VFL, visual fault locator. You can use it to test a fiber cable. That's all introduction for our NF858C. If you have any questions, please contact us in any time. Thank you.